It's allergy season, so I need my seasonal allergy roller to help combat that pollen. So speaking of pollen, this has nothing to do with pollen. This has everything to do with chemical cleaning. So chemical is a very taboo world in the cleaning industry, I feel. I feel that people think it's a very taboo world. But here's what I'm going to say. Chemicals are not bad. Every liquid is a chemical. Every cleaning liquid is a chemical. What? Oh, I want chemical-free cleaning. There's no such thing as chemical-free cleaning unless you're just wiping it down with a cloth. That's it. Everything is a chemical, meaning water is a chemical. It's hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical. Vinegar is a chemical. Isopropyl alcohol is a chemical. Any kind of liquid is a chemical. Now, what differentiates between eco-cleaning, like my green certified cleaning business, or a toxic cleaning with bleach or Fabuloso or Lysol, is the ingredients in it. The danger is in the dosage, meaning you can drown in water. So water is as eco-friendly as you can get and can still harm you if you use it incorrectly. You could drink too much of it and throw your pH levels off. So the danger is in the dosage. Vinegar, very eco-friendly for cleaning, but I wouldn't be drinking it because it's acidic. So the danger is in the dosage. Now, eco-friendly green cleaning, far better than toxic cleaners, but it is still a chemical. So whenever I hear people say like, oh, it's chemical-free cleaning, it's not. You're still using a liquid. It's just whether it's a plant-based, eco-friendly liquid or whether it's a toxic, abrasive liquid. I've even heard stories of cleaners say that their eco-friendly cleaning product is so eco-friendly they can drink it. No, don't. Do not drink cleaning products. I don't care if it's hydrogen peroxide because you think it's so eco-friendly. Don't drink it. It's just not good for you. Just don't. So everything is a chemical. Don't let that word chemical scare you. Like, oh, it's chemical. Every liquid is a chemical. Water is a chemical. So know what products to use on what surfaces, how to use them properly, and dwell time. I have all that information in all my other videos. If you haven't seen them, check them out. If you want to like talk one-on-one, I love to talk. So everything is a chemical. Don't be scared. Just know how to properly clean. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. So feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think, or if you have any questions, or what else do you want to know about eco cleaning. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, love, follow along on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my website, TikTok, Clapper, and Instagram. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Stay crunchy, fat, clean.